it's Melanie, and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less, where we celebrate, decorate, and enjoy everyday life for less. So today's video is going to be a different type of video, and I'll tell you guys why. I have found myself at a crossroad, and I don't know if you've ever experienced this type of crossroad in your life, but I'm experiencing it for the very first time, and I'm just not sure what direction to go in. So guys, when it comes to like being in a crossroad with a job or a career or a relationship or friendship or anything like that, like I'm okay with making that decision. But when it comes to home decor, because maybe this was my first time like actually owning a home, it's just really difficult for me to make that decision at this crossroad that I'm in my life. Now, like most of you guys, we've been quarantined, for almost a year now. And over the holidays, I did like this whole winter white situation in our home, and I just absolutely love it. But then I think about the fact that we may not be here much longer. Do I want to make that transition? Do I want to cross that road and go ahead and make that transition in our home? Do I want to wait till we get our next home? I mean, I don't know. So I don't know. Have you guys ever felt like that in your life, in your decor? Like, have you ever just reached a crossroad in your life when it comes to your home, whether it's a certain room or a chair or a love seat or whatever it is? Is it hard for you to kind of part and make that decision? Let me know I'm not the only one in the comments. Let me know that I am not crazy. So I still don't know what I want to do, so I'm buying some time. And so what I'm going to do today is that I'm just going to, since we'll probably be quarantined for Valentine's Day, I'm just going to go ahead and start like turning our living room into a very nice, intimate, lovely type space. So I'm gonna go ahead and start doing that. Because I did find some beautiful pillows and things like that. Like, you guys remember I had these from the summer. I had this one before, and I got that one on clearance at Target for 90% off last year. So I have all these great finds that I found after Valentine's Day last year. And I typically don't decorate our home for Valentine's Day, but I just wanted to add something new and something fresh. So let's get started. We're gonna do a decorate with me, a quick haul, and I just can't wait for you guys to see. Okay, you guys, so over the years I've been seeing these like all over Instagram and Facebook, and I have always wanted one. And these are the Forever Roses, and they are by Rose Forever out of New York. I absolutely love this beautiful blush color. I got the roses in white, and this is kind of my whole theme, my inspiration for today's design. I wanted to kind of do this because I thought that, first of all, they're gorgeous, y'all. Like, absolutely gorgeous. And I felt like, well, since we're going to be home for Valentine's Day, why not, add something just kind of super special to the coffee table. And I think these are magnificent. And I will leave a link to these down in the description box below, and you can save 20% off by using code Melanie. So I want to just kind of show you guys exactly where we are. This is still some Christmas things that were still up in our home. Yeah, it's been one of those years. I should seriously do a Christmas clean with me one day to share with you guys the real process that we go through with decorating our home or undecorating our home for Christmas. Then I have this whole different setup here, and maybe I'll share that with you guys in a different video. And then once we get all of those things moved to the attic, here's what I have left. I still have Christmas gifts that I have yet to be able to give to people due to COVID. We still have the backdrop up, and the floors are absolutely terrible. So I'm going to start out with just wiping everything down with some Windex. So we're going to do a little cleaning, and then once we finish cleaning for the third time after Christmas decorating, then we'll get to some decorating. So we're going to start it with a little cleaning, and let me give you guys some music for your listening pleasure.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. With time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good girl. Show me something. Give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. We've been dancing all night long, right here with you way too long. Don't want nothing here or now, but I'm done waiting, done wasting my time. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Sweet talk, sweet
So one of my favorite finds from this season were these beautiful beads from the Dollar General. They were just $1. I thought that they would be great to hang over the apothecary jars that I use at Christmas time. Like this one is rated white and it says you and me. I just absolutely love these, and I don't think that I could have DIY'd them any cheaper. So I want to put something inside of these apothecary jars. I thought about candy, and I do want to do some candy, but not so much. So I would love to hear your ideas and your tips on what I can put inside of these jars to fill them and it not cost so much money. Okay, so next up, I'm going to show you guys the reveal. Okay, you guys, so there you have it. I am not completely finished yet, but I think it's definitely something that can tie me over until I can get past this design hurdle. If I want to kind of stay the same and wait until we get a new house to change, or if I want to incorporate some of that change now. So this will buy me a little bit of time. I will definitely keep you guys updated on that process and kind of my rationale behind, you know, why I'm thinking the way I'm thinking. In the meantime, definitely check out Amazon. The pillow covers are amazing. It's a great way for you to be able to change the look in your house without, you know, running into storage issues or anything like that. Rose Forever, you guys, definitely check them out. I will leave their link down in the description box below. Also, be sure to use my name, Melanie, for an extra % off. You know I'm all about saving, and I promise you guys you will probably see these over and over and over again. They will be perfect for weddings and events. They last for over a year, so you can definitely get your money's worth. They are a little bit of an investment, but because they last so long, I can definitely see putting them on like a entryway table at a wedding or a buffet area. You can use them for centerpieces, you know, for weddings, for you know, at least a year, with candlesticks like you see me use today to design. I mean, there are so many uses. So if you see them move from my bedroom to events, to, you know, my coffee table, to my kitchen table, to the bathroom, mind your business, okay? So definitely check them out. I absolutely love the quality, and the fact that they last for over a year is just impeccable. And finally, I know I'm not quite finished with the tour. I am going to be doing an amazing collaboration with some super duper incredibly talented individuals here on YouTube. So I'm going to give you guys a little flash of that. Yeah, we're going to be doing something for you guys because I just really feel like what the world needs now is definitely LOVE, okay? With everything that we have going on, we need love. We need to share more love. We need to care more. We need to do so much more. And so I'm going to be collaborating with these ladies to spread a little love in this virtual space with you guys. So I'm going to leave their names and their channels all down below. So be sure to go to their channels and subscribe and turn on your notification bell in preparation for this amazing collaboration that we have coming up. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any tips or any ideas on what I can put in those huge apothecary jars right here, those right there, yeah, those big jars right there. If you have any tips on what I can put inside of those, like, definitely let me know. I thought about coffee filters to just make it look really colorful. I use them at Christmas time for my Christmas village that I did in the kitchen, but I want to do something in them for Valentine's Day, but I don't necessarily want to fill them up with that much candy. So any ideas you guys have, let me know down below. I cannot wait for all of the exciting things that I have planned for you guys, because we're gonna probably all be home for Valentine's Day. So we need to get creative and do things with the kids and do things with the spouses, and you know, do things for our neighbors and for people who've lost people, you know, due to COVID-19. Like, we gotta spread love. We gotta spread love. So I encourage each of you guys to think of a creative way to spread love this year. Leave some comments down below to get all of our creative wheels turning. And until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers.